Understanding your net worth and how it's calculated and what it means can provide valuable insight into your financial health and help you set financial goals. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Justine. I'm a personal finance educator and enthusiast, and we're unpacking net worth. So let's break down what net worth actually is. Your net worth is the difference between your assets and your liabilities. In simpler terms, it's what you own minus what you owe, and that equals your net worth. Assets are things that have value, things such as cash, investments, real estate, or any personal belongings that have value, such as fine art, jewelry, vehicles, and more. Liabilities are any debts or anything that you might owe, things like credit card debt, mortgages, personal loans, student loans, or car loans. So let's calculate that net worth. It's a very straightforward process. All you need to do is add up all of the assets, everything that you own, and then subtract the total amount of liabilities that you have. Then you'll get your net worth number. Now, if you're anything like me, you have a lot of different financial assets, including things like retirement accounts, savings accounts, a checking account, a credit card. Perhaps you have student loan debt or other types of debt that are looming in the background. If you want to gather everything in one seamless integrated app, then you'll want to check out how you can calculate your net worth inside of the Quicken Simplifi budgeting app, and let me show you how. The cool thing about Simplifi is that you can automatically link up your financial accounts. So already you can see what kind of bank accounts that I have and credit card accounts that I have connected to this, but also I can add other assets and liabilities here, and I can add an investment account. So if I click on that, I can actually connect it natively into the app by searching for that particular investing institution, and then click continue to share the data. Once you have everything connected to your Simplifi app, you can actually go over to reports, and then you're going to click on net worth. This is going to give you a snapshot of what your net worth looks like over time and what accounts are linked to that. By looking and scrolling at the bottom, you can see what assets are involved and then what types of debt are involved by clicking through the drop-down menu and seeing each of those debts listed. So once you get your net worth calculated, or you're using it inside of the Simplifi app, what exactly does it mean? Remember, whatever your net worth is as of today is just a snapshot in time of your financial health. It also helps you make progress over time. So if your assets exceeds your liabilities, if you have a positive number, then you have a positive net worth. The opposite is true if you have more liabilities than assets. Now let's go deeper. Is your net worth tied to your self-worth? A lot of people get tripped up in thinking, oh, the more money somebody has, the more self-importance that they have. Recall that this is only looking at a snapshot in time, and that your net worth does not define your value as a person. That said, cultivating a positive financial mindset can really help you alongside your financial journey. Practice things by setting a realistic budget, practicing gratitude, and celebrating your progress along the way. Celebrate those mini milestones. Remember, wealth is more than just about money. It's living a fulfilling and meaningful life. So whether your net worth is in the red or the black, you can take positive steps towards a better financial future. By tracking your net worth and understanding what it means will give you a more holistic approach as to where you're going next. I'd love to know, how often are you tracking your net worth? Let me know in the comments. Are you doing this automatically, or are you doing this manually? Let me know if you like this video and it was helpful for you. Be sure you click that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks along the way, and we'll catch you in the next one.